Today I finished up over $5,000 on the day. As you can see on the screen, I took 4 trades, 3 wins and 1 loss. Kind of a tricky day. I was definitely on the wrong side of it at first, but I was not expecting the market to dump like it did. I was expecting it to be in range, it's being saved all the time. So the first play I took was I took calls at 10:15, which is right here. See this wick right here? This wick made new lower day. As soon as it made new lower day, I grabbed calls because that's what SPY's been doing. It makes new lower day and it just V rallies and just bounces hard. So no reason to think it wouldn't do it again. So it did. I grabbed the 67.35 calls at 8.50 and they went from 8.50 to $11 plus on that bounce. Then it dropped. Then I ended up buying calls again at 10:27, which is right here in this candle. I grabbed it when I got underneath this red line, which is previous day's low, thinking we were going to bounce. And I grabbed the 67.30 calls at 8.40, and it didn't bounce, it dropped, so I ended up stopping out. And I did end up getting calls again, but I got the 67.30 calls at 10.50, which is this candle right here. We brought in this doji right here, and as soon as it got up over the 669.40-ish area, I grabbed calls. I grabbed the 67.30 calls at $5. And when they went from $5 to 8.50 on that play right there, so that ended up being a good play. So far right now, I'm thinking the market's just going to get saved, and we're just going to range. So that's why I was buying calls at lower day here. That's why I was buying calls at previous lower day, because that's where it usually bounces after that. And then when I cut it, it did finally bounce, rejected VWAP, and that's when I was like, okay, I need to reposition when I'm doing my redo my thinking, because I am on the wrong side of this. I'm playing this wrong. So I quickly changed, and I took puts over here. I didn't do anything right here. I just watched. And then we had this nasty candle right here. So I was like, okay, that's a trap candle right there. It's a $4 candle. And then when it got, I started chopping around, and I told the room if it gets under 66.66, I'm grabbing puts, and it did. I grabbed the 66.75 puts, $8, and they went from $8 to $11 right there. So and that's pretty much all I took. So off to the wrong stop, but I did quickly correct it. If you want to know more about my plays and what I'm doing, you can find my link in my bio, or just go to optionslottos.com and it will take you there too. Thanks for watching.